eParticipation processes design approach helps you to design any public participation process through following 5 steps. To start, click on the Start button. First, you enter the name and then specify whether you want to use an existing scenario to use the approach or use your own scenario. Here, we will use our own scenario. The first step is to describe the participation goal by answering some questions. Question number 1 is to support an application for funds for £3 billion from Government Transport Innovation Fund. Question 2. What are the target outcomes and potential benefits of successfully completing the process? The answer to this question, please answer accordingly. You can fill all the questions according to requirements. In this step, we have to decompose your whole participation process into steps. In our participation scenario, we have 2 steps, which are first, to prepare the proposal and second, to agree on it. 1, 2, 3. Here, for each step, we should enter the stakeholders to be engaged. In this scenario, we have first to prepare the proposal where the Association of City Council Leaders is responsible for it, and then to agree on the proposal by the citizens, businesses and councillors. Here we will only focus on citizens' agreement. Here, for each step, we have to identify 2 issues. First, the participation scope, whether it is group or mass participation. Second, the goal to be achieved. Step in our scenario can be considered as group participation, as the number of participants might be less than 30. For the group participation of the Association of City Councils Leaders, we have to discuss specific issue, that is the proposal, in depth and reach consensus. The matching participation method will be displayed as the scope and goal defined. Here we have the workshop and either negotiated rule making or consensus conference. To choose among them, we can refer to the glossary. According to the definition here, we can use negotiated rule making. The second step can be considered as mass as the citizens' number is over 2 million. For the mass participation by the citizens, we need to inform them about the proposal and then to measure their general feeling. Here the matched participation method will be displayed. In this step, the step collaboration activities to be followed will be listed for each participation method defined in step 3. For each of them, we have to choose only one type according to our scenario. The following options will be selected according to the nature of our scenario. In the last step, we have to map the collaboration activities into the existing collaborative technologies that are described in the glossary, where there is a list of specific software with external link to them. At the end, the summary of the design will be displayed where the designer can save the design by clicking Save button.